Beneath the ocean's shimmering surface lies a world few humans have ever seen. A place where sunlight fades into total darkness, pressure soars to crushing levels, and temperatures plunge to freezing extremes. Welcome to the deep sea, Earth's final frontier. But what really lurks in those pitch-black depths? Today, we're diving deep to uncover the strangest, most mind-blowing secrets of deep-sea creatures. From fish that make their own light to monsters with transparent heads. You're about to enter a realm so bizarre, it feels like science fiction. But this is all very real. So get ready, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more incredible nature mysteries. The deep sea, often defined as any ocean depth below 200 meters, covers more than 65% of our planet's surface, yet we've explored less than 5% of it. This mysterious world is home to creatures so alien in appearance and behavior that they defy imagination. Let's begin our journey with the anglerfish, a terrifying predator that uses a bioluminescent lure growing from its forehead to attract prey in the darkness. Female anglerfish can grow over a foot long, while males are tiny, and fuse their bodies permanently to females, becoming nothing more than living sperm donors. A reproductive strategy unique to these depths. Then there's the vampire squid, with its cloak-like webbed arms, glowing blue eyes, and ability to turn itself inside out when threatened. Despite its fearsome name, this creature feeds on marine snow, tiny bits of organic debris drifting down from above. But bioluminescence is perhaps the most fascinating adaptation in the deep sea. Creatures like the lanternfish, flashlight fish, and even deep-sea jellyfish use chemical reactions to produce light. Not just for hunting or defense, but for communication, mating, and camouflage. This light show beneath the sea is like a silent symphony in the dark. One of the strangest deep-sea residents is the barreleye fish, with a transparent head and tubular eyes that rotate inside its skull, allowing it to look straight up through its own head to spot prey silhouetted above. Another marvel is the gulper eel, whose enormous mouth can swallow prey much larger than itself, storing food in its expandable stomach. A useful trick in a world where meals are rare. Let's not forget the giant isopod, a deep-sea scavenger that resembles an enormous, nightmarish pillbug. These creatures can survive for years without eating, going into a hibernation-like state between meals. Equally strange is the Yeti crab, a crustacean with fuzzy arms covered in bacteria that help it process toxic chemicals. Near hydrothermal vents, an ecosystem entirely powered by chemical energy instead of sunlight. Speaking of vents, these deep-sea geysers host entire communities of tube worms, clams, and shrimp that thrive in complete darkness, fueled by chemosynthesis. In such environments, animals have evolved symbiotic relationships with bacteria, essentially farming their own food from the ocean's mineral-rich fluids. This isn't just fascinating biology. It challenges our very definition of life and where it can thrive, suggesting possibilities for alien life on other planets or moons like Europa and Enceladus. The fangtooth fish, despite its small size, is the largest teeth-to-body ratio of any known fish, so large that it can't fully close its mouth. Then there's the deep-sea dragonfish, another bioluminescent predator with terrifying fangs and a nearly invisible body that blends perfectly with its surroundings. Some species can even produce red light, which most deep-sea creatures cannot see, allowing them to hunt completely undetected. Even more haunting is the blobfish, often dubbed the world's ugliest animal, though its odd appearance is due to the pressure difference when it's brought to the surface. In its natural deep-sea habitat, it's just a normal fish with a gelatinous body adapted to extreme pressure. Other creatures, like the snailfish, have been found living in the Mariana Trench, the deepest part of the ocean, at depths over 8,000 meters. At such crushing pressures, bones dissolve and ordinary cell structures would collapse. But these fish have evolved antifreeze-like proteins and flexible cartilage to survive. Meanwhile, the glass, squid, and glass octopus have nearly transparent bodies. making them nearly invisible in the dim light of the mesopelagic zone. One of the most magical sights in the deep is the siphonophore, a colonial organism made up of thousands of individual zooids that work together as a single being. Some siphonophores can stretch over 40 meters long, longer than a blue whale, and glow with eerie, pulsing lights. Deep-sea creatures also display extreme adaptations in size. For example, the colossal squid, not to be confused with the giant squid, can grow eyes. The size of dinner plates, the largest eyes of any known creature to detect the faintest glimmers of light in the abyss. And the Dumbo octopus, named for its ear-like fins, is one of the deepest living octopus species ever discovered. Floating gracefully in the crushing depths like a ghost. Many of these animals remain elusive and are known only from fleeting glimpses caught by submersibles or remotely operated vehicles. Deep-sea exploration has revealed that life can thrive in conditions we once thought impossible. Darkness, cold, crushing pressure, and zero sunlight. Each new discovery deep below the surface rewrites our understanding of biology, evolution, and the resilience of life. And we've barely scratched the surface. Some scientists believe there could be thousands, perhaps millions, of unknown species in the deep sea. From tiny microscopic organisms to massive apex predators. As technology advances, so does our ability to explore these hidden depths. And with each expedition comes new secrets waiting to be uncovered. So, the next time you gaze out at the vast ocean, remember, the most fascinating creatures aren't swimming near the surface. They're hiding in the abyss, glowing, lurking, and thriving in a world we're only beginning to understand. The deep sea is Earth's most mysterious and least understood realm. And the creatures that live there are nothing short of astonishing. From transparent heads to glowing lures, from giant eyeballs to creatures that survive without sunlight, these beings reveal just how adaptable and bizarre life can be. And who knows what's still down there, waiting to be discovered. If you loved diving into this strange and spectacular underwater world, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell for more jaw-dropping nature secrets. Let's keep exploring the unknown, because the ocean's deepest secrets are just beginning to surface.